2023, question 9. We have C16H34. So what will be the product? Let's compare the number of carbon and number of hydrogen. Well, first, because the question mentioned that propene will be given out at the end. So if you check the possible answer, the answer will be only boy or C. Next, let's check the number of carbon for both choice. Both of them got 16 carbons that fit to the left hand side. What about hydrogen? For boy, the total hydrogen is 32. But for C, the number of hydrogen in total is 34. So you can see only answer C fit the number of both carbon and hydrogen. And that's the answer. (2021) Question 11. In the substitution, for initiation, it involves the formation of free radical or chlorine radical. So the answer is A. 2020, question 14. Has zinc after combustion to form CO2 and H2O. For the formation of CO2, it proved that zinc contains carbon, and the formation of water proved that zinc contains hydrogen. So test for CO2 is simple. We use lime water and it can turn it from clear to milky and clear again. So the answer is either A or C. For the test for water, we have two choices. The first one is anhydrous cobalt 2 chloride. This is what you have learned in junior form. Cobalt 2 chloride paper. Change it from blue to pink when there is water. And the second choice is anhydrous copper 2 sulfate. It changed from white to blue. So the answer is C, because it appears in both tests of CO2 and water. 2019, question 7. Whenever you see the word unglazed porcelain, it's surely about cracking, because it acts as a catalyst. So choice A is correct. For the next one is the gas mixture. As we know, cracking can produce both alkane and alkene with smaller molecular size. If you add acidified potassium permanganate solution, it will change from purple to colorless. So point C is correct. And during the cracking experiment, we should remove the delivery tube before stop heating to prevent sucking back and break the tube. So D is also correct. So the only possible answer for this question is boy, which is incorrect. So what's wrong with boy? This is a cracking experiment for sure, not about fractional distillation, because we cannot find the fractionating column. 2019, question 18. Both compounds are hydrocarbons, so they are nonpolar and insoluble in water. So choice 1 is not correct. Choice 2. So if you study carefully, both compounds actually got the same molecular formula, C6H6. So choice 2 is correct. Choice 3, for the one on left hand side, you got CH bond and CC single bond only. But the left hand side one, we got CC double bond more. So they seems not belongs to the same homologous series. So choice 3 is not correct. So our answer will be 2 only for the correct one. 2018. Question 13. For the substitution, what about the termination step? For termination, we get a message only. Yes, the free radical is consumed during the process without generating new radicals. Or we can say just consume but not generate free radicals anymore. So among all 4 choices, only boy fits.